If you want to impress your friends and family, this one-pan chicken dinner makes a great Sunday meal. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make an easy, rich, and delicious Herbes de Provence chicken. Stay tuned. Herbes de Provence is a French blend of herbs that includes thyme, basil, rosemary, tarragon, savory, marjoram, oregano, bay leaf, and a touch of lavender is added to the North American products. All these herbs are strong and combine to form a beautiful, aromatic, and complex flavorful spice. Herbes de Provence can be used with any meat or fish, and tonight I'm making a delicious one-pan chicken meal. I have 5 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs that I cleaned, trimmed, and dried. I'm seasoning both sides with salt and black pepper and a sprinkle of Herbes de Provence. In my oven-proof skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in about a 1/4 cup of oil to coat the bottom. I'm using vegetable oil. Laying in the chicken skin side down and letting them cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the skin forms a nice golden crust and releases easily from the pan. Flip the chicken over and let it cook for another 2 minutes and then remove from the pan and set to the side. In the same pan on medium heat, I have a couple tablespoons of chicken fat left on the bottom, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 small diced sweet onion, and 3 cloves of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for a minute. This is 3 tablespoons of flour, cooking and stirring until the flour is incorporated. The flour is going to help keep the sauce thickened or tight as the chicken and vegetables cook. I think what really pairs well with Herbes de Provence is white wine. Combined, they both add a richness and comfort to this chicken dinner. Adding in a 1/3 cup of white wine and 1 cup of chicken broth. Giving that a good stir, making sure they get all the tidbits up off the bottom and bringing up to a simmer. You can see the sauce thicken. Adding in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and stirring. Seasoning with salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Herbes de Provence, and 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Giving that a good stir and turning off my heat. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is 4 medium peeled and cubed russet potatoes, and 1½ cups of mini-cut carrots. You want them similar size and bite-sized pieces. Giving that a good stir to coat the vegetables. Now I'm placing in my chicken skin side up. Covering, and the chicken is going in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the chicken is done and the potatoes and carrots are tender. I like the internal temp of the chicken to be 190 to 200, which is fall off the bone tender. The Herbes de Provence chicken is done and the kitchen smells wonderful. Garnishing with a little parsley. Removing the chicken, tenting, and letting it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before we eat. You can see a nice thickened gravy is formed and it's flavored with all the spices, chicken, and vegetables. Serving tonight with some peas. A nice piece of homemade butter bread would have topped off this meal. Don't forget to spoon over some of that wonderful Herbes de Provence gravy. What can I say? This chicken meal is unforgettable, full of flavor. Your friends and your family will love you. I hope you give this Herbes de Provence chicken recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!